Before you can pay a single affiliate, you need a campaign. Today, we're going to set up your affiliate campaign and set one up in just a couple of minutes here. The first thing we like doing here is when you're in your dashboard. Now, your platform might look a little different than mine. I run a GoHighLevel agency called Agio Designs, but fundamentally, it's about the same here. We're going to go to our marketing tab, and then we're going to go up to our affiliate manager. Now, I've been in and out of mine. If this is your first time doing this, it'll probably look a little different. It's got a big blue button here. Now, this is native inside GoHighLevel. So you don't need Partner Stack or Rewardful or any extra subscriptions. It's all part of your monthly subscription that you're already paying for with GoHighLevel. Everything lives right in here. The first thing we're going to do is create a campaign. We'll click from our campaigns here. We will add a campaign. It's pretty straightforward. First thing we're going to do is we're going to name it after the offer, not just affiliates. You'll thank yourself later if you ever run more than one campaign. So for this instance, I run a demo webinar. It's a very simple 3-page layout, a registration, an upgrade to a $97 VIP ticket, and then the confirmation page on the back end. Once you've actually attached the product to the funnel and you've attached the funnel to this campaign, the next step we're going to do here is set up the rewards. That's that flat dollar amount or percentage. This next page, you're going to set up the commission. That's your percentage or your dollar amount that everybody brings in. So for this instance, it's a $97 VIP upgrade. I'm going to, whoops, I hit the wrong thing. I'm going to leave it as a 50% percentage that they get 50% of that $97 for everybody who comes. Once you're done here, you can hit Assign Affiliate, and then we'll go ahead and click Finish for now. Don't think it'll let me. Here we go. And that's it. Now you have your campaign live. Your campaign is built. Your commissions, your products are both locked in. In the next video here, I'm going to show you how to add affiliates into it and then get them their tracking links. If you want systems like this running for your business, head to agiodesigns.com/watch and grab time on my calendar. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.